One of the most sought after compact SUVs on the market, the Suzuki Jimny. This is the 1.3 litre VVT engine with a leather interior. Now, iconic boxy design. I'm going to walk you through it and show you why this is still such a popular compact off-roader. A fake air intake that I'm sure you could replace with a real one. Nice boxy bumper as well. I've put all the lights on for you. We've got chrome side steps, so if you are struggling to get in, you can still have a step up. So popular because of the low gear ranges, its incredible ability off-road. The vehicle has such a slim track, it can get down loads of different trails. Has a really low manual gear range as well, so you can get lots of torque on the 4x4 option and the 2-wheel drive option as well. Got a brand new spare on the back as well, which is nice to see. A huge boot and just random storage things because it's a Suzuki Jimny, so why not? You know what I mean? I'm doing this video for Charlotte, who actually is one of my friends. She absolutely loves these vehicles and I'm sure she'd love to drive one, but I'm doing this to show her how seriously cool these are. Even more space if you put the seats down, which is super easy and quite frankly unique. I've never seen anything like that. Oh, they go even further back as well. That's pretty cool. I didn't know that. So from the main seat position, they can go any angle on the release latch that it's set to. That's really clever. I'm really struggling with it. Roof rails, tinted rear windows, nice aggressive 16-inch alloys, big meaty tyres. It's just got attitude. It's unique, it's special. It's got such a big following as well. Now I'm going to show you the leather interior and the beautiful gear stick. Pioneer deck. Like I said, the 2-wheel drive, the 4-wheel drive and the 4-wheel drive low range option. Heated wing mirrors and defog mode. You've got aircon controls. It's just all like old school switchgear, which I really like. You've got that real tactical sound to it. 12 volt cigarette lighter, ashtray, USB. What more do you need? You know, it's a Jimny, it's here to do a job. Love it. A basic manual key with a remote locking feature. Just everything you need in a car, nothing you don't. 1.3 litre engine, it's a small car, it doesn't need a lot of power, but it will definitely get you through the worst trails. So, 54,000 miles, it's 12,990. It's an excellent car, it will definitely retain value really well. You won't lose much on it, I think, but it's a beautiful, special car that you won't find anywhere else. It's got a personality that I know isn't in many vehicles, and it's cute, it's special, but it also does the job, and I'm a big fan of it. I like the ruggedness, I like the elements that it's just done. It's not polished, it's just built to do a job, and it's not a Defender, so it will actually stay on the road. 17 plate, so it's relatively new. Pretty, I do like it. Reminds me of my old first car. It's really good. Come on in. That man loves his customers. He really does. Big fan of the car. I really like it. If you want to get involved and have a go on it, test drive, buy it, whatever, numbers on screen, have a go, and I'll see you soon.